What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today talking a little bit about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 pre-orders. Now I know a lot of you guys saw my videos on reasons to buy and reasons you might not want to buy, but those of you who did purchase, you may or may not have gotten the best deal. There have been a lot of people out there who have told me they weren't able to get the best offer on launch day, and there's still plenty of devices available for launch day delivery. So if you didn't save this $50 additional and get our free mystery box of accessories, you may want to cancel your current order today and place a new order so that you can qualify for this additional $50, plus potentially some other bonus discounts if you have student discounts, employee discounts that weren't working on launch day, and you can get a free case, screen protector, cleaning kit, etc. from us at Sammy Guru. So let me talk a little bit about it. So if you go to our website, first of all, you'll go to our verification page, our pre-order page. You'll notice over here, we have all the links to purchase. So if you don't know about our mystery box program, basically what we do is we provide the ability for you to order through our affiliate links and get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies like gift cards, Google Play credit, things like that. So if you order through our link, you also get an extra $50 credit from Samsung with your order, which is in addition to the savings that you already get, like the storage upgrade and your trade-in credit. So for instance, in this case, to get the mystery box, all you have to do is order from one of these links. These are the product links, and then submit our verification program. So I'm going to go through this and show you how you can save some more money. So tap on your pre-order there, a little ad, but it'll take you to Samsung's website. Make sure you don't have the Shop Samsung app on your phone, because then it won't take you to the Samsung website and you won't see the additional credit that you get here. So I'm going to block notifications, but you'll see up here that you get $50 reserve credit. This is even if you didn't reserve, you get this $50 bonus. So if you missed the reservations, you're now getting $50 extra in addition to the trade-in credit and the storage upgrade. So if you go down here, you'll see 512 for $19.99. I just got my free bonus upgrade from $256 pricing to $512. I'm getting the $512, which is $2,119.99 for $1999.99. Next, select your color. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and pick a color. You can see blue shadow is available for July 25th, silver shadow, jet black. They're all still available for July 25th. So you're not going to get the device late if you do this. You're just going to save some money. So you can trade in and get up to 1,000, or you can unlock 300 Samsung credit by not trading in. So that's up to you. If you want to pay outright for this, then you can go ahead and do that and save this additional $300, which might be the right thing if you don't have a trade-in. But let's say that we want to do a trade-in. Let's say we're going to trade in the Z Fold 6. So we're upgrading from the Z Fold 6. Yes, I agree. And then down here, you can add Samsung Care or no additional coverage. That's entirely up to you. Now, you can get a deal where you can bundle this with a Watch 8 Classic as well. You can save 20%. But if you go down here, what you'll notice is you see you get your storage credit. Now, if I hit pre-order now, this is going to take me over here where I now have this $50 of bonus credit where I can add some additional accessories. And not only do you get the $50 credit, they apply discounts to these things on top of that. So if you wanted to, you could get the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and you get $50 off that price. You would get them for $82. So what you'd be able to do is continue. You could also get a case, whatever else you wanted. And then you're going to see over here, $1,082.98 is my total. And it applied that $50 credit. So you can see I got the trade-in, I got my Buds 3 Pro bundle discount, promotional discounts, and my instant pre-order credits that were taken off the Buds 3 Pro. So you can see my Buds 3 Pro were only $83. So almost free for the Buds 3 Pro. Now, after you submit your order and you get the confirmation, if you want to claim our mystery box, as long as you ordered from our link, all you have to do is go back to the Sammy Guru website, go back to the verification page, which if you came from the verification page, you might have already been on there, but go back to the page, load up the verification page, tap on the verification form. This is going to take you to our Google form, which just asks you to submit your device you ordered, your shipping address, so your first and last name, your shipping info, and then a screenshot of your device order. So take a screenshot of which device you ordered. That's just to show you ordered through our link. We do fund the program using our affiliate revenue, so we have to make sure people actually ordered through the link. Otherwise, we'd obviously lose a lot of money because we pay all the shipping costs for the cases and everything that go in there. We will be shipping these boxes by July 31st. So you guys will be able to get your box relatively close to the phone launch. It does take us some time. My wife and I ship them all ourselves, but you get a box that's around $60 to $80 in retail value of accessories, in addition to this extra $50 credit. So if you haven't ordered yet, or if you want to cancel your order, place a new order, you can still get your device on launch day, get in on these $50 credits. Now, if you are also a student or you have a workplace discount, you can also get a discount through Samsung's student and workplace discounts. The way to do that, and I'll put the link below, so you can go to Samsung's student discount. If you sign up for their student discount program, and they have one for military, employees, students, and everything, you can use this page to sign up, then utilize our affiliate link to do the same process I just showed you, and you'll get an extra 10% discount on top, saving $150 when you include the student or employee or military discount with the $50 bonus credit, and you'll get our mystery box on top. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it was helpful. If you haven't ordered yet, you can still place your order. Our mystery box form will be open until July 25th, in which case it will close because we do have to start shipping. Appreciate you guys checking it out. If you have any questions about the mystery box, any Fold 7 questions, because I'm still making a lot more videos that'll be coming this week, drop those below. Appreciate you guys checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.